I wish you health, wealth, happiness, love, and prosperity. You know, you gotta always ride. Otherwise, your mind will suddenly be like, yo, I don't know how to ride that day. Talk to me. Tell me what's been going on with you. Tell me in the comments, and I promise you I'll respond back. But let's get this bike started and start practicing wheelies first. Just doing that kind of thing. Let's just go grab that. And hopefully we can grab this. Right? Yeah. Turn this guy. Turn this guy. Turn this guy. And then hopefully it just goes on. Stays on. Alright. Alright, so here we got the bike ready. So we gotta like roll it around for a bit. You know what's really interesting is that the first, for me, it's like my first wheelie is always like a dickery wheelie, right? Like it's never good. But like, let's see. Oh yeah. How many wheelies? It's gonna be so many wheelies. All right, so here we go. Looking at that door again, bringing it up. I'm on the brake. You just do. All right, so here we go. We're just looking at that door right there, right? Looking at that door, popping it up, and then onto the brakes. Pop it up, on the brake already. Clutch up, onto the brake. That's more distance, that's more distance. Look at the top right there. They say in order to get really good at something, you gotta be doing it for 90 minutes per day. Bounce point. At the end there. Again, just looking at the end. Look at the end. Just like a Brazilian. Here we don't gotta worry about it. Here it's just like, oh yeah, whatever. Like now, I pop it up and I'm riding the brake. Right there. Right? It's like you need to be tight in some places, loose in others. But it is like all the way down to the door. Is by doing stuff that you totally don't feel comfortable doing. Right? See, it's like you can hear it slow down, right? But you got to keep it at the balance point because of the weight. Clutch. I have like this, I want to like turn my like wheel to be stylish, And I know that I'm not ready for that shit. Catch, slow down. They say when you stop aging yourself, that's me. All right. Now we're talking. Catch that balance. All right, that's more distance. Here.